Hello guys, today we have a Mercedes A-Class model 2022, 21, almost are the same. I'm gonna show you how to check your AdBlue level. First thing, ignition on. Now ignition is on. Now you have to push here, this button. Okay. If you are here, now you go to home, slide this side, right side. I'm gonna show you how, like this, slide. Now you are here, service, press OK. Now you slide down and press OK. You can see AdBlue level here. Now you can go back in your main menu here, like this. Thank you. Subscribe.